आशाओं में
I owed him up.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल उद्धव ब्लॉग्स। तो आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही धमाकेदार WWE का वीडियो लाने वाला हूं, तो आप लोग जरूर देखना। अगर मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब लाइक कमेंट सब्सक्राइब कर देना गाइस। तो बहुत ही धमाकेदार होने वाला है आज का वीडियो, तो देखते रहिए गाइस। देखो गाइस, अभी मेकअप कर रहा है हमारा भाई लोग। WWE का कैसा होता है आप लोग देखते रहिए गाइस।
Behold the power of the Celtic Warrior.
Sheamus!
His Money in the Bank contract. Big Show has been embarrassed since. So Big Show versus Sheamus, first time ever do they meet in the ring here at Hell in a Cell. And there's the power and strength. The Big Show, John, break it down. Who has the advantage?
No doubt about it, the Big Show. I've
How
known
this
Big
man?
Show a long time. I've never seen him. Everyone's got chokeslammed through a ring by Big Show. I know his strength. Sheamus is now feeling it for the first time. It is shocking when you're out there with a giant for the first time.
Early show of power by Big Show, lifting Sheamus
Remember
up.
what this is something Sheamus has never had happen to him before. Being overwhelmed with power.
So John, explain what Big Show's going to do in this matchup. What does Sheamus need to do, JR?
Sheamus has got to dictate a very quick pace, and the longer this match goes, I think Sheamus may be able to earn an advantage. Big Show again carrying 441 pounds on that 7-foot frame, wants to end it early.
Sheamus makes his money by being a brawler. Is it smart to brawl with this man, the Big Show?
Absolutely.
And this could be the opening that the #1 contender for the WWE Championship needs.
Talked about how Cena's body was racked with pain. That may have evened the playing field here.
Now Cena looking to take advantage.
Watch it!
Watch it! The shoulder first into the step. And that could be the death blow to Cena and his hopes at regaining the WWE Championship. Goldberg hit left.
Sheamus just laid in wait, and as soon as he got that opportunity.
I love the
I saw exactly what the
was all about. You actually won the title by hook or by crook.
Booker, stop talking about the core. It's not about the core anymore. It's about Wade Barrett winning the Money in the Bank ladder match on Sunday, like I predicted.
Wade was just talking about getting jumped from the backside. I was just explaining to him he did some of these same things, just like you tell me about me doing some of these same things.
Wade, you mentioned earlier that
what the hell you just said.
Wade, you mentioned earlier that you didn't think that Sheamus needed to come to the ring with a steel chair, but are you impressed right now with the way that Sheamus, and we haven't seen anything like this before, is truly grounded?
That's obviously a strategy going forward.
Brock Lesnar! What? 3 weeks from the corner of Rey Mysterio.
I mean, sometimes, like all great sports teams, when you get in the fourth quarter or something, there you go, they get in the family of Mysterio. You get in the fourth quarter, you start fans, the hometown fans can bring you back.
And keep in mind what happened the last time Rey Mysterio performed on SmackDown near his hometown of San Diego. It was just up the road. And on that night, Rey Mysterio won the Cruiserweight Championship. Perhaps the fans here in California can will Mysterio on here tonight.
Well, Brock Lesnar mocking Rey Mysterio.
Roman Reigns just wants to beat the hell out of this man. Lock up center of the ring, and this is one thing Rey Mysterio does not want to do, lock up with Brock Lesnar.
You don't know what Rey, Rey might be, giving Lesnar that full sense of security, trying to just build Brock's confidence even more. So Brock maybe makes a mistake. I don't know, maybe that's what Rey's thinking.
Fight flat.
Come on, I saw exactly what the core was all about. You actually won the title by hook or by crook.
Booker, stop talking about the core. It's not about the core anymore. Remember what Wade Barrett winning the Money in the Bank ladder match on Sunday, like I predicted.
Wade was just talking about getting jumped from the backside. I was just explaining to him he did some of these same things, just like you tell me.
Goldberg's there! Goldberg hit Rey! Goldberg's there! Goldberg hit Rey! The corner of Rey Mysterio.
I mean, sometimes, like all great sports teams, when you get in the fourth quarter or something, there you go, they get in the family of Mysterio. You get in the fourth quarter, you start getting winded, you get the car whooped out of you. The fans, the hometown fans can bring you back.
And keep in mind what happened the last time Rey Mysterio performed on SmackDown near his hometown of San Diego. It was just up the road in Anaheim. And on that night, Rey Mysterio won the Cruiserweight Championship. Perhaps the fans here in California can will Mysterio. Goldberg's there! Goldberg hit Rey!
Mocking Rey Mysterio. Of course, Rey is not as tall as him, and kind of a little angry about that.
Lock up center of the ring, and this is one thing Rey Mysterio does not want to.
Away, Cole! What a big upset that would have been!
Look at this! 619 to the gut!
Out of nowhere, Mysterio! No! 619 to the butt!
He's chopping the Big Show down!
Uh-oh, Cole! Another 619!
Traditional!
That's an 1857!
Mysterio's gonna win this! Mysterio's going for the West Coast pop!
He's
Mysterio!
Up.
He's caught in midair!
Oh,
Big
no,
Show!
Oh, no, he's done! He's done!
Big Show may have broken Mysterio in half! To the gut! Hook of the leg!
Out of nowhere, Mysterio! No! 619 to the butt!
He's chopping the Big Show down!
Uh-oh, Cole! Another 619!
Traditional!
That's an 1857!
Mysterio's gonna win this! Mysterio's going for the West Coast pop!
He's up.
Mysterio! He's caught in midair!
Oh,
Big
no,
Show!
Oh, no, he's...
And Cena. The wherewithal to roll out of the way, and this could be the opening that the #1 contender for the WWE Championship needs. That never say die attitude of John Cena, keeping him in this matchup against the world's largest athlete.
You're right, Cena just looks, oh, there, that.
Great strategy.
That may be a difference maker right there, but just Cena looked, like you said, almost exhausted. He's taking a lot of punishment from this match.
What a leg drop from the top rope.
I think the momentum is building now. Look at the look on Cena's face. Hey, Big Show.
Strowman, Kane, here we go. And Lesnar backs Kane into the corner. And now Braun Strowman. Oh, wow. To the gut. And now it's Strowman.
How do you plan for something like that?
What about the quickness of this freight train?
Oh!
Kick, Lesnar's down.
It's like being drop kicked by a T-Rex.
Oh, my Lord. Braun Strowman.
Wait.
And now Brock Lesnar trying to pick the leg of Strowman. That clubbing.
Oh,
and then
wow.
A knee to the jaw.
Lord.
A knee to the jaw. He caught Lesnar good. A knee to the jaw.
Damn
Caught
it.
Brock good. And Brock got him back.
Lesnar just threw a bomb, tattooed Strowman.
Looking for the F5 now. Kane looking for a choke slam. And there's the choke slam by Kane. And Strowman now.
Bulldozing Kane back into the corner.
Say, no, guys, no strategy, Cole. You said it. It's a fight.
I cannot believe that knee that Strowman delivered to Lesnar. It shook the champion.
Yeah, it would have knocked out a lesser man.
Yeah, but Brock Lesnar came right back with a big right hand, guys.
Yes. Strowman focuses on Kane. Brock Lesnar just wander around outside the ring looking to regroup. Kane now has Strowman where he wants him. Meanwhile, Lesnar with a steel chair, and again legal, no disqualification, triple threat. Strowman just punched the chair out of Lesnar's hand and then floored him.
Good God, man.
Are you kidding me? Lesnar over the top rope.
Brock Lesnar might be out on
Let
his
me tell
feet.
you, I just saw a look in Brock Lesnar's eyes that I've never seen before.
Paul Heyman, you should see the look on Paul Heyman's face out here. Heyman doesn't believe what just happened.
I mean, it's the same look that all of us have.
There's the knee. There's the knee that caught him on the ear. And now Lesnar driven into the barricade, and this is a little uncomfortable out here.
And take a look at this right hand from Lesnar. Go back to there! If that didn't scramble Strowman's brains, I don't know what will.
That right hand should have done Strowman, but it
And now Strowman carrying steps around, just banged it off the face of Kane, now off the shoulder of Lesnar. And Braun Strowman is a one-man wrecking machine. To the gut. Hey, Corey, I ask you this every week, but now watching the damage he's caused here tonight, how do you stop Brock Lesnar? Seriously.
Braun Strowman, I mean, you don't stop Braun Strowman.
Braun's trying to find a weapon just what this guy needs. What I meant to say was, how do you stop Braun?
Let's give Godzilla a machine gun.
No disqualification, guys. No rules.
Indeed. And Braun Strowman with a table is just not a sight you want to see. And they love tables in Philadelphia. There's no doubt about that. But, I mean, guys, Kane and Lesnar are still down and out outside the ring.
Braun Strowman, guys, is trying to let the world know that he's staking his claim here tonight at the Royal Rumble.
Got to show you again earlier on in this match. Watch this knee from Strowman. How the hell Brock Lesnar wasn't knocked out by that is beyond me.
And then Lesnar would answer with his
Lesnar's
right hand.
Here you go. Boom!
I tell
One
you,
for you.
When you hit him in with a shot like Braun's hit Brock, when he come back with a big right hand, you wonder about yourself.
That right hand, that right
If
hand.
I got hit by that right hand, I would never move again.
Exactly my point.
And here's Strowman now setting up the table to the gut again. What does the monster need with a table?
That started at a very quick pace, guys. It's slowing down just a bit.
Yeah, but not in a good way, Book.
Exactly. Braun Strowman is in total control.
Strowman now strategically setting up a table. Kane looking to get to his feet. To the gut. Well, you know what they say about the Philly fans, right? Oh my God, Kane! And Strowman to the gut!
Two behemoths and Strowman.
Choke slam! Cover for the Universal title!
Whoa!
Brock Lesnar barreling over the official to save the match! German suplex to Strowman!
Brock is not going to that way, guys.
You know where we're
Not
going,
tonight.
Corey?
Suplex City.
Triple Germans to Strowman.
That'll rattle your brain a little bit.
Brock Lesnar just went to beast mode.
Wait a minute.
Meanwhile, Strowman picking Brock up and put him to a table. Cover
for the title.
Kane breaks it up.
619 to the gut.
I tell you, Warriors and two incredible champions. What a champion Sheamus is. But now
So guys, उसका वीडियो इतना ही था. अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर कर देना. मोटोजी ऑफिशियल कुछ बाय बाय गाइस. कैसा लगा भाई आप लोग कमेंट करो.